How to fix error_network_changed in Chrome. If you are using a VPN, disable it via TH Applications Interface. Most VPNs offer an AC on/off switch to manage TH connection.
Now open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Fix 3. Restart your router and computer. This prox also clears temporary stings and forks your network adapter to reconnect with FRSH parameters in your computer.
if that didn't work,
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.